Hey guys, so we're gonna use the magic circle. I'm just gonna do it sitting on a mat. You could do this sitting on a chair. You could do this with straight legs out, sitting on the mat if this is uncomfortable. You could squeeze the circle the whole time or just hold it. All right, so let's start sitting really tall. You wanna keep the abs in. Let's just start squeezing it from here. Let's do 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're gonna move. We're gonna go out and in for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Stay out. Squeeze the circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we're going to bring the arms back in. We're going to rotate from the ribs, come back to the center, rotate. 8, 7, sitting tall, keeping the abs in. 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Let's stay on one side, go out and in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Stay out, squeeze the circle. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center, and then we're going to go out and in. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's stay out, squeeze. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Back to the center. Let's go out with the arms, and then let's go up and down. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Stay up, and let's go up and down like a little magic circle crown. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Stay up, rotate, center, rotate, center. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. We're going to come back to the center, bend the elbows back, and then up. 7. By now, you would be feeling it. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Last one. Keep the circle back. Pulse. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Resting. So that's just a little bit of what I use the magic circle for arms, sitting on the mat. Till next time.